Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. As for me, I'm doing great. I greet you all according to your time. In this video, I'm going to show you all how I get this my makeup. It was for a birthday photo shoot. This is how I make it, and it's really beautiful. Just relax your back and watch how I get this beautiful makeup. This is how I draw my eyebrow, and you will see how I lay my foundation, how I apply everything step by step. Just relax your back and watch this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm begging you, subscribe. For those that have subscribed, I say may God richly bless you. For all you have been doing, for your supporting and all that, I say may God richly bless you. When you are drawing your eyebrow, this is all you just need. It's not difficult. I don't really know. Some people find it difficult to draw this eyebrow. I have made plenty of videos on how to get this style, even another type of eyebrow, because drawing eyebrow is different method, different type. I have drawn different type. Please, if you know you have not you don't have the time, anytime you just have free time, just relax your back and watch it, and you will definitely get it. It's very easy. You going to church, you going to parties looking for who will draw your eyebrow for you, make you up. You can easily do it if you have the time, because it's very easy. It's very easy just for you to apply, as in do your practicing at home. You will get it definitely well. You see, this is how I draw my eyebrow. Now I'm using my concealer to concealer it. It is two different color. Yeah, I have, not to make the video too long, I just clean it. I apply two different colors. So when you are applying yours, it's good, it's advisable you apply two different color. You understand? The other of my video that I just, if you want to know that one too, the other one, I lay my foundation before drawing my eyebrow. So this one, I draw my eyebrow before foundation, just to make two different type of video, and see the one that you will be used to, the one you will like, the one that will, sometimes you hear some ladies saying that no, this type is difficult for me, it's the other one that is very easy. That is why I make two different video. Please guys, I said it before, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. And if you watch the video and you like the way I apply it, please, or just to support me, just thumbs up for me, please. I'm begging you, share the video out and let other people see it. You understand me? Thank you very much. I really do appreciate. Here I did not make the full video how I apply my eyelash though, but I just show a little part of it, how I apply my eyelash. You see, just short video about that, because I wasn't really having the time. So that is it for the eyelash. Now the spray that I just spray now is the spray that, if you spray this spray, you can stay for 12 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours doing your things in party and all that, and your makeup will still remain the same. So that is the spray I just sprayed before. But when you spray that spray, you need to hold on for like 1 or 2 minutes, so that the spray will enter your skin. It will be okay before you apply your primer. So making up in this summer, the weather is very hot. You really need all these things. It will not affect your face, it will not give you pimples, it will not give you sunburn, nothing. You understand? It will even prevent your makeup not to affect your skin. So now I'm applying my primer. So I have sprayed that one before applying my primer. Now I'm just trying to rub it and make it fast and all that. So is what you really need to do. You understand? So this place, I'm just talking, with the kids. You need to talk. You must talk. So that is it then. So now, sometimes when you are applying your primer, it depends how long you want your makeup to last. So sometimes you just drop a little bit of primer, just a little. But this one, I put this type because I will be going to party after this, and I will be spending a lot of time there. So that is the reason I choose, and I apply my makeup early. This makeup, at least it spent like 7 to 8 hours in my face, and it was still the same before I came back from a party and all that. So there's no, that is the reason I put so much primer. Do you understand? So now I'm applying my foundation. When you are applying your foundation, I told you guys before, while applying your foundation, if you have a darker one or you have a lighter one, don't throw it away. You can miss it. Maybe when you make your order and they give you different type of it's not what you order you get, or you go to store, you did not find your make color. If it's darker than your skin, you will use lighter powder. If it is lighter, you use darker powder. That is what you need to do. Yeah, that is what you need to do there. Okay, sorry guys, I just get up to take something. Just a minute. I will be a few seconds. Just few seconds. I'm here now, back. So please, I just take something. So now, this is how you go. When you are doing your makeup, please take your time to apply all your things step by step. You can learn it. It's not compulsory that you must go to somebody's store, office to learn. You can learn through online. It's possible. Don't doubt yourself. Don't, oh no, you cannot do this. Oh, you cannot do that. No, you can do it yourself. You can easily do it. Just for you to exercise patience. It's just, all you want is just patience. You understand? So I told you guys before, the reason why this makeup was like this is because I'm going to party. I want to snap pictures, birthday pictures first before going to party. So I apply it the way that it will last for me. While you are watching video, concentrate, see what happened there. So now I'm applying my concealer. I'm applying my concealer step by step. You see it? I've already laid my foundation. Now I'm applying my concealer. I've applied my eyeshadow, apply my eyelash, draw my eyebrow. So it's just for you to exercise patience, do it, and you will definitely get it. You see the way I'm applying it now? You see, don't, maybe, if you are doing your makeup, you might just think, oh, maybe, no, it's not working well. No, it's not doing this. No. Just step by step, you see everything. You'll be getting the result one by one. You'll be getting the result. Okay, now I've applied my concealer. I'm applying this one that I'm applying now. It's just to give shape to the makeup, just to give shape. Those ones you see after the photo shoot and all that, this is the process everybody follow. You understand? So this is how the makeup go. It's really beautiful. You just watch to the end and see the ending of this video. You see it? I'm still applying everything. I'm still going through after the concealer, normal powder. Now I will be applying now I'm using contour. I apply my first I apply my I spray. Later I apply my primer. Then I apply my foundation. Then I apply my concealer. Then I apply my contour. You see it? So everything is just step by step. You see the contour now. You see the difference between the concealer, the contour, and normal foundation. But later, after everything, you will not see anything again. You will not see the difference. But it's only the person that do makeup, it will, wow, this person really applied this. You apply that, you apply this. You understand me? So see it? Just exercise patience. Are you seeing the beauty now? Are you seeing the beauty now? Are you seeing the beauty now? So this I go. Call just enter my phone because I was on live on YouTube when I make the video. So I was using 2 or 3 phones. So while I'm a YouTuber now. So as a YouTuber, this is what you need to do. Okay. So now we are still going. See the way the makeup is going. See it. Now I'm trying to apply panda dark powder to this place that will give you pointed nose. You see it. This one will give you pointed nose. See it. So it's really good. It's beautiful. This is really beautiful. So now I'm using my lipstick. So I don't know how you use your lipstick. For my own lipstick, this is how I use it. I normally like 2 types of lipstick. I don't know about you. So if you have not tried it, just try it. And you see that using 2 types of lipstick is really beautiful. See, first I use the brown color. Now I'm applying light pink. See it. This is the result. I'm trying to make it beautiful now, beautifying everything. Please guys, when you are applying your makeup, after everything, like your eyeshadow, your foundation, everything, just try and beautify it. Try and beautify all your makeup. See it. Try and beautify your makeup. Beautify your makeup. Bye. I love you all.